Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix muted video on TikTok. Now, if you are on a TikTok, you just uploaded a video, but then you get a flag that basically mutes the video and you want to get that fixed. I'm going to show you why that happened and how you get it fixed. So for instance, I just open the browser here and let me just search for this TikTok muted video, and now as you can see, if TikTok finds a copyright content or music, audio, whatever thing like that on your video, it says it has the power to silence them. So you might get a message on your account. It says like your video has been private or set to private, or your video has been muted because of the copyright owner hasn't made that sound or audio available in your country or region. So if you upload a video with certain music on there that TikTok does not have the copyright claim or they don't have a license to, then potentially that opens them up liability in terms of getting used to. What they will do is they will switch that video to being muted. Now there are a couple of different things that you can do. You can open up, first of all, just open up your TikTok application, go to your profile at the bottom right, and you can check here that you have any notification on here on the video itself to appeal it, or you can go to your inbox here and look for any notifications in there to appeal that video if that was actually yours, your audio, it wasn't copyrighted content or copyrighted audio. Now another thing that you can do is you can always just hop out of here if you don't necessarily want that audio, you didn't need it. So you can just open up your photos and then go to any video like this, tap on this edit, and then you can simply just turn off the audio. As you can see, soundtracks, and just disable the audio. This will disable the audio from the original video. Hit save on the top right, and then basically this video is removed from any audio, so you won't have any audio or copyright issues with that music in that. And then you can just upload again on the TikTok, so you can go through that step, or you can in TikTok just overlay any kind of TikTok songs on there so it doesn't have any of the copyrighted songs playing, and then it won't get muted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.